All right, so Jane planted a marigold sapling in her garden and recorded its growth every week. The plant's height in inches is modeled by a function h of x, where x is the number of weeks since Jane planted the sapling. And so at 0 weeks, it was 3 inches high. At 1 week, it was 8.49 inches high, blah, 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 blah. What is true of the function as x increases? So it says that, oh, there it is. I lost my little pen. The function is decreasing, but the average rate of change is increasing. So let's look at that. The function is increasing, right? As I go this way, the function, what that means is the numbers are going up. Okay. 3 increases to 8, 8 increases to 11, 11 increases to 14, that increases to 16, then it increases to 18. So anyone that says decreasing is not an answer. The function is increasing. So it's a toss-up between B and D. So B, well, let's do D. I like to go out of order sometimes. The function is increasing and the average rate of change is increasing. So to find the average rate of change, to get to this, I had to add 5.9 to get from 16 to 18. It's a little less than 2. In fact, it's 1.84, I think. So the average rate of change is not increasing, it is decreasing. Average rate of change is decreasing. So B is the answer. Okay? And that's it.